Ahrens here. I got a Daz Evers. I don't believe I've ever picked a Daz Evers lock. I got this from Trickmaster 30, a Union. Got to kind of hold that core in a little bit. Let's see, 5 pin, 2, 4, 5 pins. This is a Euro lock. Let's see, show that works. And I told myself a while back, by the way, when I get a Euro lock, I'm going to pick it the European way. I wish I'd never said that, because this is hard to pick that way. I'm not used to it. It's not my favorite way to pick, but it's the right way, so that's what I'm gonna do, so I don't offend any of my European friends. A little click off of 1, a little click off of 4, I believe that was. I may have the count all messed up because, like I said, this is different for me. I don't really like picking this way. I'll get in there. There we go. Whoop. Alright, there's a little movement on 5. I think I still got my false set going on. Feel like a little click on about 2. I think I dropped something. There goes, is it? Click on 5 again, got my false set back. Another click on 5. And 2. Opened up. My hand's cramping up, so I'm glad it did. I got to practice that more and try to figure out a better angle to get at. Got it open off of 2, so this has got one of those weird clips on there. I hate these things. Really wish I'd come up with something better than them clips. Alright, well, it's open. Let's see. Got that big gap in there. I want to run a shim in there. Try to. Try this side of it. That side's bent. Come on, get in there. Alright, well, I can't get it in there. So I'm going to lock it up, get the key in there, turn it 180. Well, let's see if I can get the shim in there that way. I can get it in there with the key. There we go. There we go. Alright, now let's see if it'll go. Follower's too big. Alright, sorry about that. Alright, everything's too big. I'm going to try to do it. Oh crap, what do I do? Alright, let's see. There we go. There we go. Okay. Woo. Alright, got that. I'm going to turn this and see if I can do it this way. Here is 5. Come out that way, I know. Four. Three. Whoops. 2 is a spool. And 1 got hung. Spin it 180. And ooh, that's a T-pin. T-pin. Okay, this is terrible gutting. Forgive me. All right, let's look at the plug here. Number 1 has some filing there. Key works. So we had a little T-pin in there. This little spool fell out. It's got a hole in it. Is there another piece to it? It's got a little hole in it. Let's see another piece. I'll look and see if find another video on it and see if there was another piece to that one. Okay, so what we got in 5 is a okay. What I had in 5 is this beautiful little double spool here. Kind of a taper in the middle there. Number 4 is a serrated, which that catches a couple of those serrations. Number 3 is a spool. I'm dropping everything. Alright, let me get number 1 because I'm about to drop it. Number 1 is this T-pin that will get in those little grooves there. And number 2 is a spool. I don't know if y'all can see that. It's got that little hole in there. I'm going to check on that. Make sure there wasn't another part to it. And then dump out all these key pins. Then spun around and we'll take a look at them. Okay, there they are. And looks like all brass spring and they're all the same size. Yep. All the same spring, so that's good. Alright, anything in the Bible? Don't see anything, which those plugs are still in there. Number 1 has this filed out spot. Number 2, come on, has a serrated. Number 3 is that an undercut? It's not an undercut, like a counter milling in there. That's pretty neat. I like that. Yeah, it's just right there on the edge. Huh. That's all right. I like that. Okay. See what we got on the key pins. We got this tapered top on number 1, serrated on 2, tapered top on 3, double serration on 4, tapered top on 5. Again, here's the drivers, T-pin, spool, spool, serrated, double spool, all the same springs. So thank you, Mr. Trackmaster 30, for sending me this lock. Thank you, Daz Evers, for making this lock. Really fun pick. Y'all, thanks for watching. Sorry about the gut, and I'm going to check on that other pin right now. Thanks for watching. Be legal. God bless.